Today starts the first video of restoring a truck I found on Facebook Marketplace. Right now, we're going to go head out to see a old 1990 Ford F-250. So let's go check this thing out. All right, so far, great looking truck. Bed's pretty cool. Got some. Oh shoot! You got toothbrushes? Can I keep the toothbrushes? Oh, that's pretty solid. How about $200?
Deal.
Yes, sir. Bad financial decisions. Me and my truck. First meal in the truck in my car. So good. In there, but I got more parts in there. But yeah, I'll come back tomorrow. See what's good.
She lie to your face, I really don't get it. She say what you want her to say. At the end of the day, I'm still getting money regardless.
Alrighty, so I'm at Advanced right now. Got my battery. Ooh, it's giant 800 gold cranking amps. I'm gonna switch to body cam. Oh, thank you. What's up, guys? Yep. Charge it through here.
Yeah.
Cause I need a part. Why else would I here?
How long did you buy it?
Oh, I didn't buy it. I just need a new one.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Do you want the same exact one, or do you want one that?
Can I just get the silver?
Yeah.
It should be like 69 bucks.
Yeah, 94 R871. So how much?
Arkham Beauty Shop
Okay.
like 70.
28. What was it for?
Ford F-250.
What year?
1990 Ford F-250 custom. 5.8 liter V8.
Wow. What?
I know, right?
Did you see that mess up? Bro, the 2-year warranty on their thing is $70.
Yeah, don't tell them.
When I looked at this one, for the 2-year warranty is $125. So it's like a weird little glitch. Hey, bro. I mean, more power to you.
Hell yeah.
All right, $70.
And boom, I just saved myself 150 bucks. I know I'm gonna need a serpentine belt up soon, but I'm gonna figure out what all it needs before I come back, because may have to wait for another paycheck to buy some more parts for the truck, but hey, it's worth it. All right, let's take this and put it in the truck. There we go. That's a better sign. That's cool. New battery. I don't know, I just want to clean everything off because everything's just like so dirty. But yeah, this is the pressure for the fuel. Oil. I don't think I ever checked the dipstick, but there's oil in it. I want to do an oil change, trans fluid change, because it's only not 90,000. Trans fluid change, brake fluid flush, coolant flush, maybe power steering, which I'm pretty sure is right here. Yeah, right there. I don't know, I just want to clean everything and get everything right again. Also want to paint this thing black because I like my girls black. I think it would be like good contrast. Oh, there's also parts in the truck which I need to figure out what it's for. You're gonna see a lot of this store. Guys, this is adding up insanely quick. I got the belt, Ford brand spark plugs, an engine degreaser because I know I want to clean it. So far, I spent $140 today, or $145. 70 plus 75. I paid $1,400 for the truck and tow. So all in all, I'm down $1,575. Okay, I got those stupid spark plugs, all of those, and the ones on the other side. Now I gotta replace the now I gotta replace the wire. Third trip today, man. Those spark plugs were not fun, bro. I was over the car, I was under the car, I was all over the car, but through trial and tribulation, we got it done. Now we gotta go back to Advanced Auto. And there we go. Third time. So putting those distributors wires were probably the worst thing I've ever done in my life. It was honestly harder than taking off everything to get to the timing chain. Maybe I just don't have hand strength, but horrible experience. All right, we got a battery pack on there, plus the new battery, plus new wires. Oh, shoot. All right, so we tried starting it again. We put fresh gas in it. He already did the distributor timing, wires, or some wires, some spark plugs, or all spark plugs. We were just trying to see if we would get it tested. Couldn't get it to start. We're gonna redo the timing because that's probably the issue, is that we need to redo the timing for the belt or chain, the rod to the distributor, which is kind of throwing everything off. We were close at one point and then was gone. So we're gonna redo the timing chain. It's gonna take a while. But yeah, I gotta take this bracket off. I gotta take the alternator off. I gotta disconnect the battery and this fan off. So that'll be fun. All right, so I'm pulling this thing apart. I was gonna take the alternator bracket out. Didn't have to do that. We literally just need to get this timing chain thing right here because I think the guy before me didn't really do it too well. So we have to set that, and we have to set the distributor timing, and then we probably have a fuel issue. But took this off, pushed the bracket out to the side. I'm gonna clean all this off. This is disgusting. I really love the use of homemade nuts here, especially this one. This one really caught my eye, along with this stripped one that's right there. That's cool. Yeah, this is definitely homemade too. Love that. Yeah, I'm gonna have so much fun taking this out. All right, so right here we got the water pump bolts. As you can see, all different variations. So I'm gonna go to Advanced Auto tonight and get some better bolts. I have the bracket bolts all labeled, so I know what I'm doing. I have the water pump off right now. It's currently hanging. I'm gonna have to redo this gasket, and then I'm gonna have to take this off and get to the timing chain, so then I can make sure the timing chain is right. I do have to take this pulley off, but I don't have the tools for it right now because my buddy left, so I'm gonna just work on cleaning stuff up. Bro, this is what my hands look like, bro. This is the water pump. This is the water pump gasket. I'm probably gonna try to reuse this. I know I'm gonna need a new gasket for this, bro. But look at how much dirt is in there, bro. Come look at this, bro. Look at how much dirt is in here.
That's supposed to be there, man.
It's not. I don't know. I don't think I need to get a new one because I can just clean this one out, yeah?
Yeah.
I mean, weed pulling is because this breaks, right? Like, how does a normal one go bad? You can't tell me? Hell yeah, brother. Bro, okay, he's coming. I'm gonna take this home. Gonna get new bolts. Probably gonna get new bolts for that too. And then I'll be here tomorrow. Got the vehicle racked, lifted in the air. I'm gonna take this harmonic balancer thingy out and then get to the timing chain cover and then get to the timing chain so I can finally get this thing off. So we got the harmonic balancer out. Trying to get to the cover, I have to lower it again. So I'm gonna just spread off the underbody real quick. I've been wanting to do this because it's really dirty. Get some of the oil out, see where I'm leaking from after I clean it. I'm definitely gonna need a new gasket for this oil pan. Previous owners did a horrible job all around, not gonna lie. Bolts are crooked. Some bolts aren't even the right bolt. Everything's just, I'm not gonna lie, but we're gonna fix it. So I got the timing cover off. It's looking clean compared to the other parts I've taken off. Although I am gonna have to clean off the inside and the gasket and the mating material all down there. It leads right into the oil pan, so I probably got water into there, so I'm gonna have to do an oil change before I try to start this bad boy up again. But yeah, I just have to put it on top dead center now. Shout out to my boy Todd, bro. Best manager ever. You're the GOAT. You're the GOAT. So the oil did have a little bit of water in it from me power washing, which is all right because we didn't start it after I did that. But as you saw earlier, I took the exhaust off. I'm trying to get this oil pan off, and this exhaust was going to be in the way. So now I just have to take it off, get a new gasket, prep the mating surfaces, and I'll put the oil pan back on, got the timing cover back on, and I could just start reassembling everything. I couldn't do the timing today because my Master Tech friend wasn't here, and I'm not trying to do that and up, so yeah. Got it put all back together with all the hoses. Thanks to my buddy Gabe. Got the distributor set, got the timing set, and that time lapse you watched. We put all of the timing cover, the water pump back on. Just got a new belt for it, and then he put all the clutch, the hoses back together, and he also filled it full of coolant, so we should be good. All right, so we got it running. All the coolant's being sucked up. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Thanks to this man right here, the GOAT, sucking all that up. Running pretty smoothly. Pretty excited. There she goes, rolling out of the bay, bro. She's been stuck in here for a week, and now she's rolling out. Hell yeah. It's got a little bit of a jiggle to it. When you like put it in gear, I think I need to tighten down the motor mounts. I don't think I tightened those down all the way. Try to loosen them to get the old man. Yeah, no, I'm gonna have to take the actual bumper off, and there's a metal piece. Stop kicking my bumper! All right, I'll do it the right way. I'll do it the right way. Oh, dude, that was great. I got my first ride. I literally just drove it around the building so I could park it here. That was awesome, bro. It started, it moved. I need to see if I can get the radio working. So it works now, and I got coolant in it, got oil, maybe not fresh oil, but there's oil in it. I do want to do a transmission flush because it only has 90,000 miles, so it's still relatively low. But things, I think I already said things aesthetically I want to do to it. These headlights, bumper, I might keep the grill this shade, I don't know, touch up on paint work and dents. Yeah, just a lot of rust I could probably get off. I want to find tops for this because I think the tops look better. This is definitely going to be a giant Bondo job right here. See what I can do. Repaint this black. I don't even think I can take this out. I think I already tried, but yeah, no, it's not. But yeah, now I just get to restore it. Oh yeah, another thing, restore the windows. They're super foggy, so I might take a razor and some Dawn, get these stickers off, maybe steel wool and very mild acid to get that off. But dude, so excited, so freaking excited. So that's a wrap for this video. I'm gonna do the other actual restoring part and maybe some engine work in the next. I just wanted to first get it running, get it driving, which it does. So I'm really happy, and I'm probably gonna work on making it look good for the next week.